If you're watching this video, you may be familiar with Nighthawkinlight's soup can forge, where he makes a forge out of 2 cans like I have here. I liked his idea, so I wanted to see if it would work if I used dirt instead of refractory cement to insulate the forge. Basically, I'm just going to copy his design with these, have a blowtorch stick in and heat it. But I'm going to use dirt and see how well of an insulator that is. First, all I have to do is cut a hole where the torch will be in the side.
Several days later.
Now that the dirt is mostly dry, I'm going to try it out with this Burns-O-Matic TS8000 torch. Probably not really important what type of torch you use, of course. After placing 2 bricks in front, as you can see, it can heat a piece of copper pipe to orange hot. Well, that foundry with dirt was like completely useless. I think I could actually get this piece of copper hotter without the foundry, or at least just as hot. And this thing takes a lot of gas to run. Propane comes burning out the front, so it doesn't have enough oxygen, and it's really just useless. It takes forever to heat up, and I have 2 reasons why it didn't work as well as Nighthawkinlight's. So, first of all, it didn't use play sand and plaster as insulation. It just used normal dirt, which probably isn't as good. And second of all, it could have been using MAP gas. Well, this torch that I'm using is only using propane. So let's see if I can get this thing just as hot without the foundry. I was able to get much hotter, and in literally 11 seconds, much hotter than this useless foundry got in I don't know, it was 10 minutes that ran for. So this torch works better without the foundry. It's much more efficient for gas, it heats things up quicker. Yeah, so basically this thing is completely useless. Don't build this unless your torch uses MAP gas and you have refractory cement, and if you do build it with dirt, don't use my design. It is slightly different than Nighthawkinlight's. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if you like this content. See you in my next video.